Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar continues to challenge the top side, but over the last 24 hours it has found a little bit of a top close to that 70-cent handle. Now from the backing away, if we look to the hourly for 1 minute, you can see here that the market did take a challenge to the upside this morning and thought twice about it. And still I anticipate with the pattern that's coming through here that should see a move back towards the lower side of the range of 69 cents. If we get a break of 69.15, then that should reinstate the downside to 68 cents and reassess. It is getting a little bit concerning that the euro is pushing to this level of 113.40.50. With the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, is challenging the lower side of the range of 96. Now, if we go sub 96, this would see a move through 113.40.50 and on towards 114 area. So I would be aware that stop losses are accumulating above this level, and to your risk management, still keep an eye in adjusting your stop losses and take profits. The dollar yen hardly moved overnight and still hovering over this level of 107. If we get a break of this, then I do expect to see the re-challenge of the over last week's last level of 106. So let's see if the market can take out 107 to initiate the move to 106. Since the bullish divergence, there's been no backing down. The pound has pushed higher and higher and now gets to a stage where can we break the level of 126.30.55 area. I feel that we are overbought and therefore could see a pullback. Let's see if the market has enough supply to push it back to the lower side of the range around 125. Dollar CAD a little bit weaker, even though the oil is still just coasting around that $40 to $41 mark. I'm not overly bearish at these levels, but I'm neutral at the moment and waiting for better assessment from the technicals. The gold pierces through 1,800 and leads to me still neutral, due to the fact is that recently we've seen in the past very volatile times in gold, and with the risk of the COVID-19 increasing has brought more demand into the yellow precious metal. Nevertheless, the trend is still strong and let's see if the market can continue. But as I mentioned, I'm going to be sitting out for the moment and see how the market plays. Wrapping up with oil, well, it's still capped to this 41 to 40.5 level. No real call until we see the market break above there, which would see 46 as a target. However, while intact, can still see a pullback to $36 a barrel. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. And I hope you enjoyed a great start to this day.